This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. The market just closed for December 9th, 2019. Let's take a look here at some of the top performing stocks for the day. And one of the stocks that had a monster move today, a big move, 75% to the good, 1 day gain. Today being a Monday, so it just gapped up after Friday's close. Again, a huge gain on the day. Of course, the magnitude of the move is a surprise, but if we go to the chart right here, when I issued an alert for paid subscribers right here, in fact, let's take a look at the precise breakout alert, and the alert was issued on November the 13th, and there is the breakout right here. So paid subscribers got that breakout alert on the 13th. So back to that monthly chart, and we can see the breakout was issued somewhere here last month on the 13th. And of course, today is the 9th of December. And the reason why the stock was on our watch list is because before the move, it did meet the minimum requirement for the ultimate Muathe breakout. The method is very simple and very powerful in terms of breakout picks. So this is something all of us can do for ourselves, unless you want somebody to do this for you. If you don't have the time or the experience to know what to look for, then that's where I come in. Now, let me show you for the day. These are the top percentage gainers for today. Now, I should stress I don't run a day trading service, so this is nothing to do with day trading. I'm just showing you what I realized here for the day. You can see one of our picks right there, the one I just discussed. And then there's two more on this list, which are recent Muathe.com subscriber stock picks. So two right there, and there's one more a little bit lower, which is right here. And again, the main takeaway from this video should be this is all based on the ultimate Muathe breakout. Looks like it's the biotech space right now that is moving higher. Of course, things can cool off at any moment, but the main takeaway is that these things tend to move in groups, and it so happened that that's the sector of the market that is on fire. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.